of Mechatronics Engineering. General instructions: kindly mute your after entering in my. Last is allowed queries, and you forgetting will be posted, will be kept open after the I repeat, the participant mute your audio and video after entering in Microsoft. Every session, so please kindly answer the resource person. Q&A session, please certificate posted. The form will be kept after the completion.
Madam. Right, ma'am. Escape online or yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Good morning,
Rajasekhar,
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
என்னுடைய அட்ரஸ்
Yes, sir. Audible. Sir.
தானா?
No, sir. Your address, sir. And then introduction to
Okay, okay.
प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहा
है सर ये போட்டுக்கலாம்
अटेंड करना
யார்
है
என்னடா இல்லைங்க நான் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி தான் இருக்கேன்
mute your
inaugural sessionல ஓகே சார் ஓகே சார்
yes sir. Yes sir, you are audible, sir.
audible
open ஆகல என்னுடைய
No issues, sir. Kindly text.
ஓகே ஓகே
Okay.
ஓகே
சார் ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்காங்க சார் 16 சார் ஓகே ஓகே
sir yes team please
Sir, it is almost.
I think sir joined ma'am please check and welcome
Okay, sir. Oh,
yes, yes, yes.
Shivanam sir, shall we? Sir, am I audible?
Audible, ma'am. We are audio checking.
Okay. Shall we start the session?
No.
The chief guest. So everyone is.
Welcome to our
Good morning, good morning.
Mechatronics.
Is it audible?
You are audible, sir. Sir, HOD sir. How long? Already
3 minutes.
have
Yes.
attended. And the guest is also waiting, so I am just waiting for your instruction to start, sir.
Sir, I request check the principal, sir. Connect.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. Shall we start the session? Sir, principal, shall we?
It as meeting because of
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Okay. Morning to one and all. On behalf of KSRCT Tiruchengodu, extend a hearty welcome and dignitary inaugural function, faculty development, Mechatronics 0 is joined by Department of K.S.Rangasamy and Council initiative in pandemic of living by our colleague I know Dr. N. MHRD Tamil Nadu.
Thank you. So, இந்தின் இளம் மகாந்தனை வைத்தடி போட்டு the prayer to one and all mode. College of Tamil Nadu, India, Engineering and Council and honor to Rangasamy, KSR Educational or Srinivas Educational Institute
Dr. R. Kobalakrishnan and Dr. M. Inaugural Chief Guest joined the India Cement Research Scholar participants across 1 week virtual to extend my welcome the and India executive officers, the heads of the department, guest friends, welcome once again for the on Mechatronics 4.0 era. Engineering says last 20, we are always technologies learning. Last 9 we have introduced disciplines are serving our college as a innovation council, which is introduced to promote innovation and intellectual college students. We have a 5-star rating and we are performing at lead test faculty, and so industry for one of the innovation and technology related to efficiency, smart and intelligent software, information, intelligence, machine analytics, etc. Development program of opportunity. Distinguished speaker, best wishes to the thanks indeed for this today's. Again, I welcome.
Thank you, Professor. Occasion. Sincere gratitude from our management. Live founder chair Tiruchal, Vice Chairman, Mr. Institutions. And Mechatronics. And young and multitasking. A professor, Dr. Mechatronics and College of Technology.
Chairman, sincere. Mr. President Manufacturing, Salem, Thiruvengadam, secretary of this, and my dear faculty from various institutions, because the FTP there so that started in the era offering two mechatronics engineering 16 and degree in various mechatronics engineering, the electrical electronics research faculties, the sizable number of good citations and I-10 index. There's FT 0.0 related to the mechanical because involves various big data and simulation, integration, cyber security, the cloud manufacturing, as well as augmentation. Reason for utilizing is due to the industry we for transportation in the revolution of the invention for source for industries, proliferation of this, but in but the and also it is employed automation without them. So as well as in this mechatronics engineering for. So I assure you will give you the new engineering.
Thank consist strives for interoperability often says leads to create. Imagine on what you can. I now request Dr. R. Gopal to technology to give the
of you, Dr. K.S. Chairman, stress match the return.
Sir, sorry.
Doctor,
Your audio is breaking.
fine. Is it?
sir, but it's breaking.
So audio.
I just changed the.
Sir, now we are audible, sir.
Okay. Started and the good morning all, and for the appreciate the department is initial faculty development and 2-3 it's a unique day, very important for the tight which is very odd because we are industry 4.0 should know what is in, so it's very in our smart way of doing. So information. That's manufacturing, product delivery with recycling. So it's such a department where you will be able to learn, you will be able to give insights to a lot of people, your ideas. Mechatronics, where to the start with value manufacturing as and make it as an intelligent with the digital. That's what no for it. The things established, so he will be able to how working. Welcome our SK Palaniappa. Wonderful faculty members. Please attend to your student who will be able to. We are living in how to be very students to the intelligent. Thanks. I career and chief guest.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Professor Mrs. V. Indumati from Department of Mechatronics Engineering to introduce our chief guest, the committed person, Joint President Manufacturing.
Happy morning and my cordial welcome virtual 1 week. It gives me immense pleasure. Inaugural Chief Guest, Joint President Manufacturing Sankagiri. He is a proud batch of PSG College of Tech, Electrical and Electronics Engineering domain. Towards complete his diploma in Industrial Regional Labor Institute, Chennai. He started his career as Coimbatore Productivity Council 81. At 9 into the Kingdom of he held production, maintenance, safety. His untiring efforts towards work has having experience and expertise in the gifted president manufacturing. He also like Japan, Germany, Saudi Arabia, our department. Thank you for the opportunity given person. We get your industrial experience.
Thank you. The person whom I admire, safety concern, the first in this starting the day and before posted from time on. I'm very proud. You can sense humanity in every nook and corner of India Cements Limited, which is not often seen in most of the manufacturing sector. A man who believes our greatest glory is not in never falling. Time we fall. I'm much honored and delighted to enlightened personality gathering to deliver the inaugural address.
வணக்கங்கள். பரம்பொருளுக்கு
வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம், மாதாபிதா குருவிற்கு வணக்கம், பாரத தேசத்திற்கு வணக்கம், தாய் தமிழுக்கு வந்தனம். Respected K.S.Rangasamy ஐயா, respected Srinivasan sir, beloved principal, HODs, professors, assistant professors, lecturers and other organizers of the KSR College of Technology, my dear friends from other, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to all of you. Indeed, it's a very great pleasure for me to be here with you in these pleasant hours. Few days back, Mr. Sundarraj, one of my very friend, contacted me to participate and inaugurate this program. I'm very happy to be part of this program today. In my opinion, the topic is more relevant for the current COVID-19 situation today. Our human interaction we never in such lockdown time through the world is before going to the fundamentals. Second World War is to invent like steam engine, aeroplane, textile, those equipments, efficiency, safety, one carry out. That of industrial revolution. After the World War, for a large scale, hence law started through labor laws. People manufacturing started thinking of reducing the man and improve the efficiency. Concept started during in 1970s throughout the world. Products prices have started to facing lot of economy. So necessity to reduce the cost without petroleum product function, increasing the efficiency, integrating all these things. Maintenance started during that period. Actually, what they do is during the predictive component spares, sparing life is 10,500 to 10,500 hours. Even the breakdowns have come down, eliminated. Problems in some, for example, vibration. So at that point, the not to skilled or knowledgeable, the unskilled laborers. After the second generation, skilled category, all these things. After that is the third revolution. Simplification of active maintenance setup, etc., etc. Focusing towards longevity systems across the world. Lots started to come in. What happened is up are the increase. Our requirement was that they don't find in skill set more new invention situations, more stress at the workplace. All these things are sort generation. If you take the very big challenge, for example, I will simply we are doing means nothing but joining to rubber belt, rubber material. What happened those days? They were not able to do rubber pieces. One scientist thought him for 13 years, any better results. One the night time, because of the wind, those days they used this kerosene lantern. There's lantern fall down on the rubber piece. After quenching the fire, he was trying to remove the belt. He could not do it. At that time only he invented, by heating the rubber material, you can make the joints. To find out that today we are in the era of cold galvanizing. There's no hot galvanizing today. To that extent, they were spent a lot of time for invention in those. But today, this